In this video, we delve into various methods to infuse distinctive bark flavors into your smoked barbecue. The bark, a flavorful outer layer that forms during smoking, can be enhanced using specific techniques to elevate the taste of your meats. By exploring different approaches, you can customize your barbecue experience and impress your guests with unique flavors and textures. From selecting the right wood chips to mastering seasonings and rubs, each step plays a crucial role in developing a mouth-watering bark. Join us as we uncover the secrets to creating unforgettable bark flavors for your next barbecue masterpiece. Selecting the right wood chips is a crucial step in shaping the flavor profile of your barbecue bark. Different wood types like hickory, apple, or mesquite impart distinct flavors to the meat during smoking, enhancing the overall taste experience. Hickory offers a strong, smoky flavor, while apple wood creates a sweeter profile. Mesquite wood adds a bold, earthy taste to your barbecue. By carefully choosing the wood chips that complement your meat selection, you can customize the flavor of your bark and create a unique and delicious end product. Seasoning blends and rubs play a vital role in elevating the flavor profile of your smoked meat's bark. By experimenting with various combinations of herbs, spices, salts, sugars, and other flavor agents, you can add richness, complexity, and depth to the outer crust of your barbecue creations. Whether you prefer sweet, savory, spicy, or a combination of flavors, the choice of seasonings and rubs can transform a simple bark into a culinary masterpiece. Join us as we uncover the art of enhancing smoked meats with carefully curated seasoning blends and rubs. Achieving the perfect bark on your barbecue heavily relies on precise control of temperature and smoke levels during the smoking process. Maintaining optimal heat ensures that the meat cooks evenly and develops a desirable texture, while controlling smoke levels imparts that signature smoky flavor into the bark. Fluctuations in temperature or excessive smoke can affect the end result, leading to undesirable outcomes. By understanding and managing these variables, you can master the art of creating a flavorful and well-textured bark that will impress even the most discerning barbecue enthusiasts. Embrace experimentation and personalization in your barbecue journey by exploring diverse combinations of wood, seasonings, and cooking techniques. Tailoring the bark flavor to align with your taste preferences allows for a truly customized culinary experience. Whether you gravitate towards bold and smoky notes or prefer a subtle and sweet undertone, the freedom to mix and match ingredients empowers you to create a bark that reflects your unique palate. Through creative exploration and a willingness to try new methods, you can unlock a world of flavor possibilities and elevate your barbecue game to new heights.